which is a great achievement for me. As a I started from the beginning. I started from zero level in English. Now I have got 50% scholarship in USA, United States of America, which is is a great educational country. So which is a very achievement, good achievement for me. Myself, Tanvir Hassan Ridoy. I'm from the southeastern part of Bangladesh, which is called Kumilla, and I have completed my HSC exam in 2023. And after that, I thought that I have to crack my IELTS exam, and in that time, I started my preparation. And Alhamdulillah, I have got a desired band score 6, Nobel Legend 6. And after that, now I am preparing for my higher study.
What was your band score in listening?
In listening, I have got 6, but in my practice time, I used to get 7 or 7.5. But for some kind of nervousness, I have got 6 in my real exam. But Alhamdulillah, I am satisfied.
Okay. Many individuals spend their leisure time doing different activities in their life. So how do you spend your leisure time?
Well, in terms of me, I usually like to spend my free time with my hobbies. For example, I have a travel sickness and I love to travel one place to another place, especially with my friends. So whenever I get some free time, then I go out with my friend and hang out in many historical places with my friends, which is like indoor or inside or outside in our country. And also, I am a movie lover, so I used to watching movies in my free time. So these are my favorite activities, which I usually do in my free time.
Okay, so you have talked about movies, so let's talk about movies. When was the last time you watched a movie and that was very interesting and you won't be able to forget this scenery in your life?
Well, the last movie I watched is Lucky Bhaskar, which is a Malayalam film, and the actor, which is called Dulquer Salman, is my favorite. So that's why I watched this movie. It was the a crime thriller movie which is made by Malayalam industry, and I always used to watch the South Indian movies. So it is the part of a South Indian, and the direction and the VFX and also like acting, storytelling also is good. And my favorite Dulquer Salman is rocking. So it was a amazing moment, and I enjoy a lot. And but I have the intention to watch movies in theater, because you know that theater has a great experience which we not get don't get in mobile screen.
So how do you develop your English speaking?
Yeah, to be more exact, for speaking, I think there are no alternative to practice, and the main the key point is listening, because listening is a very vital thing for speaking. Because um, if I know how to if I know how to speak, and then I can speak, because this knowledge I can get from listening. So listening is the power tool, I think.
Okay, so you got a chance somewhere, but you didn't mention. So you can say something about this matter, how you have chance.
Okay. After completing my IELTS journey, and after getting my IELTS band score, I have applied in USA in a public university which is called William Patterson University in New Jersey. It's beside the Newark, and I have applied 1 month ago, and recently I have get my I-20, which is called offer letter, and with 50% scholarship, which is a great achievement for me. As a I started from the beginning. I started from zero level in English. Now I have got 50% scholarship in USA, United States of America, which is is a great educational country. So which is a very achievement, good achievement for me.
Okay, so who supported you in this journey?
Well, my uncle supported me the whole journey, in between the whole journey, and he is also from France. So he guided me how to apply, how to the application process. He guided me.
Okay, so in which institute did you take admission for your IELTS exam?
The institute name is William Patterson University in New Jersey.
Okay, okay. So who supported you in this journey?
Well, my uncle supported me the whole journey in between the whole journey, and he is also from France. So he guided me how to apply, how to the application process. He guided me.
Okay, so in which institute did you take admission for your IELTS exam?
The institute name is William Patterson University in New Jersey.
Okay.
It's a private big university.
You believe that from watching movie we can learn something? I mean, we can
Yeah, a
motivate
lot
ourselves.
because yes, a lot because movies usually made by directors. So director always try to give some message in our society through their movies or web series. So they have the intention to give the right knowledge and right message, which is which we have to know about our culture and about our society. So yes, there are lots of motivation and lots of you know message from movies, which I uh, get from movies.
Okay, so do you believe that to shine in our life, motivation is very required for ourselves?
Definitely, brother. As I mentioned, my life I motivated from a teacher. I think you know the guy, which is a IELTS, which is called Guru, Rashid Bhai. So my journey was started from with this man because he motivated me and encouraged me to give my IELTS exam and to get a higher band score because his learning process and learning system is too easy and he can motivated people so easily and he can uh, make some dream for me to go abroad. So this man for me motivated and I am gratitude to this person. So from my side, motivation is very vital for a career or a success.